How often do you think about the state of the bridges you cross daily? Right now, bridge inspection and maintenance are largely manual, labor-intensive processes. Inspectors physically climb onto these infrastructural giants, checking for cracks, corrosion, and other signs of wear and tear, often in less than ideal conditions. This traditional method is not only time-consuming but also fraught with risks and often results in high costs. Moreover, the frequency of these inspections varies greatly, usually happening every 2 years or so, depending on local regulations. This long interval between inspections can lead to unseen deterioration, escalating the cost of repairs, and potentially putting lives at risk. The human element in these inspections also opens the door for error, both in terms of overlooking potential issues and making subjective judgments about the severity of detected problems. If the process of bridge inspection and maintenance could be optimized, wouldn't that be a game changer? Enter artificial intelligence, a technology that has the potential to revolutionize bridge inspection and maintenance. Imagine a world where the tedious, time-consuming, and potentially dangerous task of inspecting bridges is simplified and made more efficient. This is the world that AI is crafting for us. Artificial intelligence can streamline the process of bridge inspection and maintenance in several ways. It can automate the analysis of structural integrity, identify potential weaknesses, and predict future wear and tear. This not only reduces costs but also minimizes human error, making the process safer and more reliable. Moreover, AI's ability to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately is truly transformative. It can process hundreds of inspection reports, images, and structural analyses in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This means that potential issues can be identified and addressed much faster, preventing minor problems from turning into major disasters. But it's not just about speed. AI's advanced algorithms can analyze data in ways that humans simply can't, uncovering patterns and insights that would